Can you see the rain coming down? Or do you just hear the cars? I thought you might enjoy it. These are my pumpkins. You can't see my new little statue over there. Here, I'll come over here. My worms are probably drowning. Hold on. Say hi to Aunt Lily. Say hi, Aunt Lily.
Hi, Aunt Lily.
Hush.
Hi, Aunt Lily.
David, watch out, honey.
Hi, Aunt Lily.
I'm going to show her the rain. You got to move your body. I'm going to show her the rain outside.
Can I go with you on phone?
I'm just going to open the door. Here's the rain. It's my redneck backyard. You can't see the chickens. They're over there in the corner.
I'll drop the deal on anything.